Are you looking for a hybrid bikes? In this video, I will show you the 5 best hybrid bikes based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Schwinn GTX Comfort Adult Hybrid Bike. Can't choose between all the different types of bikes out there? You need a hybrid, the perfect combination of road bike speed, cruiser comfort, and mountain bike versatility. The men's 700cc Schwinn GTX1 has all that and more, a true multi-sport hybrid that can handle all of your biking needs. Ride it around the neighborhood with the kids, take it to the store, or commute to work with it in the mornings. The GTX1 is up for anything. It features 21 speed shifters and a rear derailleur for easy, precise gear changes, a suspension fork to smooth out the ride, and strong and light alloy rims for added stability. The front and rear alloy V-brakes provide secure stopping power, and the multi-use tires are perfect for on-road riding or off-road adventures. The 4th product on the list is the Diamondback Women's Vital 2 Complete Hybrid Bike. If you're having trouble trying to determine whether the comforts of a comfort bike are more important to you than the efficiency of a road bike, get the best of both in an all-new women's-specific Vital Hybrid. The Vital Hybrids combine the same comfortable contact point features of a comfort bike with the big smooth rolling 700cc wheels of a road bike. The Vital Hybrids are extremely versatile and are ideal for many uses, including event rides, commuting, recreation, and personal fitness. From the simple to the sophisticated, you'll find the bike you're after in the laid-back comfort geometry Vital series of hybrids. The 3rd product on the list is the Schwinn Network Hybrid Bike. The Schwinn Network Hybrid Bike is an ideal blend of comfort and performance. Whether off-road or on, the Schwinn alloy hybrid frame and suspension fork provide a smooth, comfortable ride. Schwinn alloy hybrid frame with Schwinn Fit geometry and suspension fork provide a smooth ride. Great for around town, through the park, or on light trails. Schwinn 21-speed trigger shifters provide quick, precise gear changes. Hills, flat areas, and everything in between you can adapt to your terrain with ease. Front and rear alloy linear pull brakes provide secure, reliable stops and speed control so you can ride with confidence in a variety of conditions. The 2nd product on the list is the Diamondback Complete Performance Hybrid Bike. The Insight One provides incredible performance and quality at a very practical price. Its aluminum frame and integrated aluminum aero straight blade fork give this bike a platform that rides as fast as it looks. Shimano shifters and derailleurs allow you to snap through the gears while you sail through the city. Combine those features with an integrated aluminum aero fork and a set of double wall rims, and what you get is the bike of choice for anyone looking for a great performing fitness bike and at a great value. The 1st product on the list is the Huffy Hardtail Mountain Bike. The Huffy Stone Mountain is equipped to deliver in looks and in performance. The striking look in denim blue gloss, the 21 speeds, and the front suspension all add up to one hardtail mountain bike ready for action. Backed by our limited lifetime warranty, the steel hardtail frame provides solid performance and efficiently transfers your pedal power for strong acceleration on straight surfaces and uphill climbs. This 26-inch model is ideal for a rider height above 5 feet. An alloy quick release enables easy seat height adjustment. The ATV saddle, with premium padding, has stitched sides for lasting comfort. The suspension fork absorbs any bumps and dips encountered on your path for a smoother feeling ride. The indexed Shimano TZ31 rear derailleur combines with the Microshift twist shifter to deliver 21 speeds on demand for uphill climbing, downhill riding, or pure acceleration. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.